Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm David Sugarman, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple, fun, and useful way. And today we're tackling another common challenge for English learners: so versus such. These two words are used to emphasize things, but they're used a little differently. And getting them right will really help your English sound more natural. So is used before adjectives or adverbs like so nice, so fast, or so good at English. Example, she is so talented. Such is used before a noun or an adjective plus noun like such a nice person, such talent, or such a big problem. Example, that was such a great movie. Once you get the hang of when to use so and when to use such, your English will sound smoother and more fluent. This video is part of a full series. So if you've been learning with me or one of my teachers, this is a great way to review what you've already covered in class. Whether we're working together one-on-one in a group or you're learning with one of my teachers, these lessons are designed to help you keep practicing and making progress. And don't forget, if you want even more practice, I've got exercises waiting for you on my website at davidenglish.info. They're designed to go hand in hand with these lessons and help you learn even faster. So, all right, let's jump in and master so versus such. We use so and such to enhance our opinions. The two words are similar, but are used slightly differently. In a sentence, such will be before the adjective and the noun it connects to. So, on the other hand, goes after the noun, but before the adjective. Examples: that is a delicious meal. That is such a delicious meal. Or that meal is so delicious. So plus adjective slash adverb. Use so before an adjective or an adverb without a noun. Examples: she is so nice. He runs so quickly. The weather is so cold today. Such is before an adjective plus noun. Use such before a noun, often with an adjective. Examples: she is such a nice person. That was such a beautiful day. They are such good students. A common mistake to avoid: for example, he is such smart. You want to say he is so smart. Great, everybody. We have arrived to the exercises. And at this point, you can get a notebook, a pen or a pencil, stop the video, write down your answers, and then see if you are right or wrong. And we will go through this together, and I will try to just give you the answers as we go. Directions: fill in the blanks with such or so. Number one, it was a long journey that we were exhausted by the time we arrived. So the answer is, it was such a long journey. Such a long journey. Number two, she made delicious cookies that everyone wanted the recipe. Delicious cookies. That's an adjective and a noun. So she made such delicious cookies. Number three, he is an expert in his field that companies seek his advice. Here we have an expert. So, what do you think? An expert is a person, a thing, right? A noun. So he is such an expert in his field. Number 4, this book is a page turner. I couldn't put it down. Here we have page turner. It's kind of an expression because you just keep turning the pages over and over again. This book is such a page turner. Number 5, they had a wonderful time on their vacation that they want to go back next year. I'm going to say they had such a wonderful time on their vacation. Number 6, the presentation was informative that I learned a lot. So the answer is going to be the presentation was so informative. Why? Because informative is an adjective. You can't say such informative. You have to say so informative. Number 7, I've never heard a beautiful song before. It brought tears to my eyes. I've never heard such a beautiful song before. Why? We have beautiful, which is an adjective, and song, which is a noun. And remember, such goes before an adjective and a noun. Number 8, that was a great performance that the audience gave a standing ovation. That was, well, we have great performance. Again, it's the adjective and noun. I'm going to go with that was such a great performance. Number 9, she has interesting hobbies that I'd love to hear more about. She has such interesting hobbies. Number 10, it's a shame that the concert was canceled. A shame. Here, it's a shame. So we're going to say it's such a shame that the concert was canceled. Number 11, he told a funny story that we all laughed for hours. He told such a funny story. You can say that the story was so funny, it was so funny, but he told such a funny story. Number 12, they've made amazing progress in their studies this year. They've made such amazing progress in their studies this year. Number 13, the restaurant is known for good service and great food. Well, we're going to go, the restaurant is known for such good service and great food. Good is an adjective and service is a noun. 14, it was an incredible experience that I will never forget. It was such an incredible experience that I will never forget. And number 15, she has a positive attitude that is contagious. She has such a positive attitude that it's contagious. Number 16, the view from the top of the mountain was breathtaking. So here we want to say breathtaking is an adjective, We don't have a noun there. So we want to say the view from the top of the mountain was so breathtaking. Number 17, I gave you the answer. He gave an inspiring speech that motivated everyone in the room. He gave such an inspiring speech that motivated everyone. 18, this is a small town that everyone knows each other. This is such a small town. Now you can say the town is so small. 19, it's a good idea to start studying early for exams. So it's such a good idea to start studying early for exams. And 20, they are kind people who always help those in need. Again, kind is an adjective and people is a noun. So we're going to say they are such kind people. If you want to get better at this, you can observe and describe locations or scenarios using so and such for emphasis, and then write those down in the comments. Here are the answers 1 through 10. If you just want to read through them quickly, you can. And then from 11 through 20. And of course, you can go straight to my website at davidenglish.info, and there will be more exercises after this video that you can practice to do so and such to just get better at this grammar exercise and this grammar structure. So for more information, visit and follow my social media accounts, and can't wait to see you later. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.